everybody? It's Justin Kicks coming back at you. Another video. It's like my third video I've done today, so you're gonna be seeing uploads coming pretty hot and heavy at you. This one is one I've been wanting to do for a little bit since I decided to come back and start doing videos again. I am outside and it is warm out here today, so trying to get this one in before the sun moves directly over top of me. Got a little bit of shade right now, but it's still humid out here. Anyway, video I'm bringing to you today is nothing I've done before on my channel before or since I've come back or anything like that. What I want to do, man, me and my wife was cleaning out our closet a few days ago, and came across some sneakers that was dug deep down in the closet that I hadn't seen forever. Actually forgot I had, and you know, you'll see from the video I really was wearing these and cooked these pretty good. So what I wanted to see is, you know I see these videos of people rejuvenating shoes, cleaning shoes, stuff like that. Want to give a stab at it and see if I could bring my AirMax ones. I'll go ahead and show them to you. My AirMaxes back to life. These was the AirMax Day AirMaxes. Looks like 2016 is when these released, so AirMax Day of 2016, and these were a little bit different than the originals. You got like a I don't know what type of materials this was, but the Nike sign is not suede or anything, and the gray's not suede. But as you can see, I wore these pretty good. Looks like I was doing all kind of crazy stuff in them. I'll show you the other one, and yeah, these are pretty cooked. So before I just threw them out, I wanted to see if I could bring them back to life, man. So I'll be using today, and this was a Christmas gift from my nephew Silent. He goes by Winnie. He had given me this for Christmas, and I haven't used it yet. And I've used Jason Markk before, but I haven't cleaned sneakers in a while, getting really in depth. I'm not really too hard on my sneakers now. You can't tell from that, but so try the Jason Markk out today. I got everything set up to clean it. So let's see if Jason Markk still does what it could do, and see if it can help me bring these Air Maxes back to life, man. So let's I'm gonna get into it. I'm gonna get everything set up, and we'll go through the process to see how they turn out. So as you can see, I got everything set up here. I'm getting the shoestrings taken out of this. I'm gonna start with the right shoe first. I'm gonna do one at a time, and then try to do a compare and see if I was able to make it come out any better. Got my Jason Markk out here. Got the brush. Got my water. Got a little rag to help dry it off through the process, man. But I'm gonna fast forward. I'm not gonna sit here and make you watch the whole thing, but just want to go through the process, see if I can, if anything, if I can't get these laces the way I want them, I'll just get some new white laces. That's no big deal on that. But we'll got my glasses on, make sure I can see it clear. I don't wear my glasses all the time, but we'll see what we do, man. We'll see how they look, see how they come out. So I got one sneaker down. I'm not gonna give you a close look yet because I do want to do the comparison. We got one sneaker down. I'm gonna let it dry, see how the final outcome. You know, when it's wet, it still kind of looks kind of dark and stuff. So we're gonna let it dry, and then try to see if I was able to make any headway with these. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the second one, and then we'll come back and take a look at both of them. Just finished up the second one. Like I said, I'm gonna let them dry a little bit. Let them try to get as much of that moisture out and then we'll take a look at the final results and see if we was able to save these bad boys, man, or will they be getting chucked, or what we gonna do with them? You know what I'm saying? So anyway, I have decided I am gonna replace the laces, so the laces are done for. So anyway, let's let them dry. We'll come back and take. All right, so we back. Done put in some good elbow grease today, and we get ready to take a look at this. Take a look at these results. AirMaxes from AirMax Day 2016. And I remember these came with like a lot of extra stickers and all this stuff, and it was kind of a big deal to get these, and I wish I had taken better care of them, but you know, it is what it is. Sneakers are made to be worn, and I wore the heck out of these. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at the right one first. They were both pretty bad. So this is the results of the right one, and I tried to let it dry as much as I could. Now keep in mind, compare it to the way it looked before. I'm happy with it. Now, is it brand new? No. Does it look a lot better than it did? Yes, because these were bad, and so they you know, I wore them in, I wore them down. So the biggest problem with these when I was cleaning them was that when I was taking the brush over the suede, the little suede was flaking off and getting on everything. So, but again, am I going to be wearing these tomorrow? I don't know. They're still a little wet, a little damp. I'll get the other one out now. I am going to get some laces for them and let them all the way dry and see what they look like, man. Like I said, I'm someone that likes to hold on to stuff. When I found these, I was pretty happy. I found another pair too that I might try to clean. It was the obsidian kind of colorway of these. Came out, I think, around the same time. So anyway, let me know what you think. Jason Markk, I'll give it to it. I thought it came out good. The hardest part on these was the toes. You can still see some staining there, but it was a lot worse. I worked and worked to get these little ones out. They just would not come out. So I don't know if it's something, if y'all have a suggestion out there of something that would work better to get that out, let me know. But otherwise, there you go. That's your end result. Not perfect by any means, but again, I see these kids out here wearing these Air Force Ones that look a lot worse than this does right now, and they like it that way. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video. I appreciate y'all checking it out. I appreciate y'all checking out all my recent videos, man. And let me know if you think you'd hold on to these or go ahead and pitch them, get rid of them. I've seen a lot worse sneakers and everything. So anyway, this is your man Justin Kicks. I'm going to get up out of here and holler at you next time, man. Peace.